Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what your purpose in life is? Ikigai is a Japanese concept that can help you find meaning and fulfillment. It combines 4 elements: what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. The first element is finding what you love to do, your passion. What excites you? What gives you a sense of joy and fulfillment? The second element is discovering what you're good at. What are your talents, skills, and strengths? The third element is identifying what the world needs. What problems or needs exist that you could contribute to solving? The final element is finding what you can be paid for. What are the ways you can use your skills and talents to earn a living? By exploring all these elements, you can find your Ikigai, your purpose in life. Finding your Ikigai helps create a sense of balance and harmony in your life. It gives you a reason to wake up in the morning, feeling motivated and fulfilled. Ikigai is not about achieving perfection or reaching a certain goal. It's about enjoying the journey and finding meaning in every step. It's about living a purpose-driven life, being aligned with your values and passions. People with a strong sense of Ikigai often have better mental and physical well-being. They feel a sense of fulfillment and lead more meaningful lives. If you're struggling to find your purpose, don't worry, it takes time and self-reflection. Explore different interests and try new things to discover what truly resonates with you. Remember, your purpose may evolve and change throughout your life. But having a sense of Ikigai will guide you and give you a sense of direction. So take the time to find your Ikigai and unlock the true potential within you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos.